Hello everyone, Vanessa Btinkuri here. I want to thank you all for your support, not only here but on Instagram. It's been so great to know new artists and see their art and be part of their process and letting you be part of mine too. If you participated in this challenge, comment below and let me know how it went for you, or if you didn't participate, then what is your favorite piece of the next pieces you're going to see? So, welcome to Folktale Week 2018 Art Challenge. This challenge is amazing and it's hosted by a group of talented artists. Be sure to check the hashtag on Instagram and find all their profiles and artists who also participated around the world. It's so fantastic to see so many styles and at the same time they all speak the same language. I had to participate. Beyond the Cliff and Courage, it's not exactly an old tale, but my goal is to write books that will become old tales that outlive my existence for many centuries. Therefore, I bring you a collection of colored pieces of my characters playing the Folktale Week. They had a lot of fun with it, and so did I. My story stars insects in an epic quest to recover the home tree from an evil army of spiders. They travel across the perilous territories, making allies, running away from many villains to rescue their friends and family. I am so glad that I could make up little stories daily for each piece and have fun with my Instagram friends. I followed their official prompt list and decided that color would be the great start. The book will only have black and white illustrations, so this is like a candy for my fans who are already waiting for the story to come out. It was also a way to challenge me to paint in ways and techniques that I never had tried before, and the results were fun, even when they failed. After this challenge, I improved so much with painting with lights that I will have to go back to the cover and do just a little quick makeover just to make it even better. I'm really glad that I overburdened me with this extra work. I don't actually see it like that. I use my lunch break and after dinner time to finish each daily piece, and it was all worth it. I've learned a lot and this just makes me want to keep going. I'm a messy painter. I like organic ways of coloring my pieces. I try to color by selecting shapes and cell shading, but that is definitely not my favorite way. The idea of restricting a color to a shape and then have to do the same to the next one doesn't help me to relate one with the other, you see. I like to stick to a color palette from the beginning and then splash the colors in value, darks on darks and lights on lights. Then I try to bring a little bit of the cold to the highlights and a little bit of the warm to the shadows. This will create harmony. Sometimes I don't even go for local color. You know, the green is grass, the sky is blue. I stick to the original colors from the selected palette. And a great exercise to get away from the green grass and the blue sky is to pick a random set of colors and color something that usually is not that color at all, like, I don't know, purple orange. Maybe if I had played with coloring books in my childhood, I would have been able to understand color better. I don't know. I hated them so much that the first time I saw a manga book, I thought it was a coloring book and that the artist wanted us to do his job, so I refused to open it. I was very young. Coloring is not second nature to me. I began to draw with pencil and bits of charcoal that I used to pick from the fireplace, and it was only years after that I changed to color with both digital and traditional. Now I overcame begrudging color and I'm embracing it as much in these recent challenges at least as possible. I can't wait for my 600-page gigantic sketchbook to arrive in the mail so I can dive in 2019 with the biggest challenge that I ever tried. I hope it doesn't frustrate me, but if it does, you'll be welcome to witness my doom, and it will be okay. As you can see, I jump everywhere when I paint. I do this when I draw as well. I don't just stay in one place until it's done. So splashing as many color as possible in the underlayer will help to build value and give piece more harmony and interest. Because these are quick paintings, I left the line art in most of them. Also, I wanted to look messy and have that folktale illustration kind of mood. Oh my god, there are so many illustrations, so beautiful. You gotta go to Instagram, check it out. Ian and Valia are the main characters, but their journey requires so many more. In this challenge, I presented you Ian, who wants to save his friend Ivana from the spiders more than anything. Valia, the little spider who is in denial most of the time. Her dreams to become the best beetle warrior. She doesn't quite get it. Tuluru, the pigeon who has secrets. Fipai, she's a ghost and she keeps baking ghost pies that are simply amazing, but no one can taste them. She will be very important in the story later. Also, the acrobatic bee sisters, Sting, Stripes, and Wendy. And last but not least, Sly, the giant fastest snail. Alright, I have 15 days left to illustrate the rest of the book and send it to the printer on December 1. I will do this because I am not alone and your support motivates me to move forward. I love you all, I thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.